Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy domain name on Spaceship. Alright, let's begin. To buy a domain name on Spaceship, first go to spaceship.com. On the home page, type in the domain name you want and click Search. If available, I recommend choosing a .com domain as it's the most recognized in 2025. Once you find your desired domain, click Add to Cart and then View Cart to proceed. You can skip additional hosting or upsells if not needed. Check the price and note that Auto Renew is off by default. Click Checkout, then create a Spaceship account if you don't have one or log in. After creating your account, verify your details and ensure the domain spelling is correct. Enter your registration and billing information, which is required for all domain providers. Next, add a payment method such as credit card, PayPal, or cryptocurrency, then complete the purchase. After payment, go to All Products, Domains, Domain Manager to manage your domains, set up redirects, connect hosting, or toggle auto renewal. So that's basically how you can buy domain name on Spaceship. That's it for this video. Thanks.